Welcome. My name is Lisa Speaker and I am the Media Specialist for the High School, Middle School, and Area Learning Center. This video tutorial will show you how to use Gale eBooks as a professional development tool. To access Gale eBooks, you can go to any Worthington School Library/Media Center website or to the Department of Teaching and Learning Professional Development website. I'll give you a few seconds in case you want to write one of these down. So to show you how to access the Gale eBooks, I am currently on the Middle School Media Center website, and I am just scrolling around looking for the Gale eBooks link. And on all of the Media Center websites, it'll be under Teacher Resources, and you click on it, and in you are into the Gale eBooks database. We have access to 173 books that we have purchased. You can use these ebooks on your iPad or PC, and there are a couple of ways you can use this database. One is you can click on the education link right here, and it'll show you all 173 books that we currently own, and you can click on one and go in and just read it. The other way that you can use this database, and I'm going to hit the back key, is there is a search box up here. And you can type in your teaching subject term that you've been wondering about. I am going to type in diversity. And it will search through all 173 books and pull out chapters that are relevant to the subject term that you typed in. Right now I have 303 results. I'm sure that if I would have taken the time through an advanced search, I could have narrowed it down even more, but this is just a demonstration, so I didn't feel I needed to do that. So I was thinking about diversity as a resource for teaching, and this is telling us that there's 20 pages here, which is probably more than one chapter. I am just going to click on it, and it takes me right into those chapters. And as you can see, it's in the orange, it's highlighting diversity so that I can read and figure out why it pulled up that chapter or chapters. And then I can go through and I can read it. If I decide that I want to share this chapter or even a link to any of the books with one of my colleagues, I can hit this Send To button and it'll send it through an email to them, or it'll send it right to my Google Drive. Or I can hit the Get Link, and it'll give me a link to this chapter, and then I can send that in an email also. You can highlight and take notes in here as you're reading, and then you can send that also to your Google Drive, or you can email it to yourself. Some other cool tools that are in here is that it'll translate the article in another language, and you can also listen to the article or chapter or book. If you're going to do this, you probably want to use your iPad or a phone, and that would mean that you wouldn't be in the school. So it may ask you for a password, and the password is just 518. If you have any questions on how to use this product, please feel free to ask myself or Maria Thayer. We'd be happy to answer them. And we hope you enjoy this new product. Thank you.